Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for his question. At the outset, I'd like to clarify that the Pacific Healthy Islands Transformation Project and accelerating trade, facilitation, and logistics in the Pacific are two separate initiatives. While both are supported through loan and grant financing from the World Bank's International Development, they each serve distinct purposes in advancing our region's development. The Speaker, sir, as the Minister responsible for external trade now, I will speak specifically from the accelerating trade facilitation and logistics in the Pacific project. While the honourable member may wish to direct any further questions regarding the Pacific Healthy Islands Transformation Project to the Minister for Health, under whose portfolio that project falls. The Accelerating Trade Facilitation and Logistics in the Pacific project is a regional initiative involving 6 Pacific Island countries: Fiji, Vanuatu, the Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Kiribati. Its purpose is clear. That is to reduce the time and cost of trade across the Pacific by modernizing customs operations, improving logistics, and enhancing regional cooperation. Mr. Speaker, the Pacific Island countries face unique challenges: small populations spread over vast ocean distances, high transport costs, and limited connectivity. Trade is central to our economic development, but moving goods across borders remains slow and expensive. In some of our neighboring countries, only 1 or 2 shipping lines serve a port. So when a vessel is delayed or cancelled, the whole chain, the whole supply of critical goods are affected. Food, fuel, medicine can be disrupted for weeks, and these realities drive up the cost of living, constrain businesses, and limit trade opportunities. This project seeks to change that. Mr. Speaker, the project focuses on 3 core areas. It aims to modernize customs and border procedures by moving towards electronic processing, risk-based systems, and coordinated inspections. These improvements are expected to significantly reduce delays, minimize paperwork, and create a more efficient environment for traders and border agencies. The project also seeks to improve digital and physical connectivity across the region. That includes supporting better trade infrastructure, logistics, systems, and port operations, so that goods can move more efficiently and reliably across borders. Enhanced connectivity will also help countries address long-standing supply chain bottlenecks and lower transport costs. In addition to this, the project also focuses on strengthening regional cooperation by harmonizing trade procedures, improving information sharing, and developing shared digital platforms to facilitate trade throughout the Pacific. This collaborative approach will help create a more integrated regional trading system that benefits all participating countries. Trade today depends heavily on speed, transparency, and access to information. And digitalization is the key to achieving all those 3. For Fiji, this means upgrading our core customs management system to its latest version. Through this project, Esikuda, Fiji will migrate to a modern, regionally harmonized system that enables data exchange and interoperability with our regional partners. This will reduce delays at the border, cut down paperwork, and give traders real-time access to clearance information. Beyond customs, trade facilitation requires strong coordination among all agencies involved in border control, such as customs, biosecurity, health, and standards. The project will support the design and implementation of a national single window system which links all these agencies through a single online portal. Instead of having to visit multiple offices or submit the same documents repeatedly, traders will be able to submit all the information, clearances, and payments electronically in one place. This system will greatly reduce redundancy, improve transparency, and make trade faster and more predictable. Mr. Speaker, sir, another critical aspect of the project is the provision of modern customs and border equipment. This includes non-intrusive inspection scanners, weighing equipment, and container hygiene and laboratory testing facilities. Such tools will allow customs officers to conduct risk-based inspections, focusing on high-risk cargo while speeding up the clearance of compliant goods. This will not only reduce clearance times, but also improve compliance with international trade and health standards. While the primary focus will be on our main international port, equipment may also be deployed to secondary ports where necessary. The Speaker, sir, the progress on the project will be carefully measured through international benchmarks such as the World Bank's Business Ready, Be Ready report, and the time release study, TRS, developed by the World Customs Organization, which tracks the actual time taken for customs and border clearance. By reducing delays at our port and simplifying compliance processes, the project will make it easier, faster, and cheaper to trade, boosting economic efficiency and competitiveness. This is a forward-looking investment in Fiji's economic future and a cornerstone for deeper regional integration and sustainable growth across the Pacific. I wish to acknowledge and highlight that the implementation agencies for this project, the Fiji Revenue and Customs Services, and any further queries on the operational aspects of this project can be directed to FRCS or the aligned minister, the Ministry of Finance, Strategic Planning and National Development, which are mine, and statistics. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.